We still live in a free country where you have the right to remain silent. You never have to say anything to anyone for any reason unless you are literally in a court of law and a judge has granted you immunity and requires you to testify. I don't know. I've never seen that happen in a single case I've ever worked over 30 years. My friends, please, 90% of the cases that I have as a criminal defense attorney are only made because my client has run his or her mouth. I see more people get themselves in trouble each and every day for, quote, cooperating. Well, the officer asked me a question and I needed to answer. Don't lie. Never lie. You just don't have to answer. I tell people all the time, you may not be able to beat the ride, but we may be able to beat the case in the end. And I almost never see anyone talk themselves out of trouble. I see them talk themselves into trouble. You should never be rude to a police officer. All you have to do is say, I'm happy to cooperate, officer, but I need to speak to my lawyer, Tom Goolsby. That's all you have to do. Now, they may still charge you, yes, but again, particularly if you have some culpability, it's even more important that you don't run your mouth. And when you make any kind of statement, many times we all hear, giving officers the benefit of the doubt, we hear what we want to hear. We misconstrue things when people talk. So why risk anything at all? Don't run your mouth. Don't talk. Simply say the magic words, happy to cooperate. I just need to speak to my attorney. And then that's it. They'll do what they're going to do, but you won't screw up. So, word to the wise. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. That's the Miranda warning. But remember, that Miranda warning does not work for you until you are arrested. That is, you're put in handcuffs or you are detained and not free to leave. That's when those Miranda rights, because people tell me all the time, well, they didn't Mirandize me. That was because you admitted to the crime right when the officer stopped you and was just questioning you. Don't run your mouth. I'm always here to help. God bless.